Hi, my name is Paul Maynard, and I am a real estate photographer. I actually started my career back in 1984, so I would consider myself a career photographer. I've done just about every type of photography you can actually think of. Started my company back in 2008, working a portrait studio, and you know, when you work out of your home, you never leave your home. So after being very successful for 9 years out of my home, I decided to get into real estate photography, and the reason I did that was because I used to be a realtor in my past life. So I thought it'd be a really great fit. And so in 24 months, I photographed just about 2,000 properties now. So I've got the experience to capture your property, how you're looking for it, and what buyers and sellers are looking for, because I do understand the industry. I'm going to show you a couple things on my website, colorfulvirtualtours.com, and would love to earn your business. The one thing is that when you do hire me and my company, that you're going to get me. You're going to get personal attention. You're not going to have to deal with the big company. I'm going to make things really simple for you. I'm not going to nickel and dime you to death like a lot of the other companies do. I'm going to be your marketing partner. That's what I want to be. I'm not looking for quantity. I'm looking for quality clients. I very much want to make sure that you receive the highest images in quality as possible. I want to make sure my turnaround time is really quickly because I know sellers want everything yesterday. So I deliver images same day, and I make it really simple for you to order your projects online. You go to my website, you create the free account here in the upper right hand corner, and you can see my calendar, you can see all the services. When the images are done, you get an email, you can download them, you get a property website, you get a flyer creator, no extra cost on any of that stuff. I really want to make sure that I make it easy for you, affordable for you, and get it done as quick as possible so you can keep your clients happy, so you can sell their property faster and win more listings. All right, so let's jump in. You can come to my website and read more about this here. You can see some of my images. I'll just click here really quick because I know you're going to want to make sure that the quality is important. And I'll scroll down a little bit more. You can also go to my Instagram, which is Colorful Virtual Tours as well, where I have more updated images on that site. I'll come over to pricing and services because I know that's important. I'm very competitive with everybody else. I should click the button there. I am competitive with everybody else, but again, I want you to take a look at this really quick on everything that you get here. Now, it does say delivery by noon the next day, but I have been delivering all of my images the same day. Usually, the reason they don't come till the next day before noon is if it's a twilight shoot or a really late shoot. Otherwise, you're going to get everything same day. HDR, not oversaturated. I want them to make sure that they look natural. The home looks real. Of course, I'm going to make it look good, look big, but look natural. And then let's come down here. So there's a few different options here. You have the iGuide listing platform, which I'm going to get into detail, which is everything bundled together. HDR images, 360 tour, a interactive floor plan, property, website, neighborhood info, agent contact info, social media integration, one click. You get the weekly analytics. You pretty much get everything with this. And this is going to be based on square footage because I am creating a 3D virtual tour for you. If you're not looking to do that, even though most of my clients have moved over to that, you can, of course, just order residential images or commercial images for your commercial properties, and then you have all the add-on services as well. I am a FAA certified pilot, so I can create all those drone images for you as well. Real easy to come in, create an account, go to my website, colorfulvirtualtours.com. In the upper right hand corner, you click the create free account. You come in here and you'll scroll down and it'll just say sign up today, and you'll just go through this process. It's going to ask you questions about your brokerage, and then you go into the property details. You'll go to my calendar, all the services. You'll get an email to confirm that you got everything. Really simple. So that's it. If you have some specific questions, please give me a call here at 303-434-0822, or you can shoot an email over to me, which is the info@colorfulvirtualtours.com, which of course is on a different page. But that's it. Again, want to be a marketing partner. I love what I do. I'm super passionate about photography. I get really excited when I get into and I get to photograph a new home every day. It's because I'm doing what I love to do. So I hope to hear from you. I hope you're having an amazing day. Reach out and let's chat. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.